I want to begin just briefly introducing a concept that I refer to as noise. And it's important because noise has such a dramatic impact on our lives, even though we often don't realize it. And by definition, noise is anything that interferes with the accurate transmission of a message between a sender and a receiver. So if Thomas and I are having a conversation, there's some things that Thomas wants to say to me and he wants to make sure I understand, and there's some things I want to say to Thomas and I want to make sure he understands. And noise is anything that interferes with the accurate transmission of those messages. More broadly, it's anything that interferes with our ability to build those powerful relationships and powerful connections I was speaking about earlier.